Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to manage your privacy settings on the Indeed app. Many users are curious about hiding read receipts so that others do not know when they have seen messages. I will guide you through the process. First, open the Indeed app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right of your screen, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. After that, select Settings from the menu. Next, in the Settings menu, find and tap on Communication Settings. Finally, you will see an option labeled Show Read Receipts. Simply turn off this feature to hide your read receipts from other users. Once this is done, messages you read will no longer notify the sender. This allows you to maintain more control over your privacy while using the Indeed app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends,